Hello, people. For all those people who are looking for a boost in their emotional and mental well being, this is Rajat Khatri. I'm a certified happiness coach and I am also a leader in one of the reputed organizations. Just like you, even I am facing this challenge that many times while working, I feel low and I don't find people to discuss this with, right? Whereas there's a lot of tension of the timelines of the deliveries, therefore causing a lot of emotional and mental uh, stress. So therefore I started searching for tips and tricks that seems to be working and that's are proven, and I try to implement that in my routine, and that is exactly what I'm going to share with you all. So in today's video, the tip that I'm going to give you all is a very simple tip, very simple and practical tip, that is just to say thank you. This two words, thank you, but it seems to do really wonders whenever it has been implemented perfectly. Just like you, even your co-workers are going through this stress and going through this turmoil of balancing their work life, personal life, and then of course there are challenges related to health problems, and you never know what is happening in their families. If someone is positive or someone is hospitalized, these people are still coming to work, or at least they are working. So in these situations, just saying a simple thank you is a very simple thing that can be done. So be thankful for all the efforts that they are already putting in. Be thankful if they are just going an extra step to get the work done. Appreciate their efforts, give them that limelight which they are, which might uh, boost their mental well-being, and that will make them happier. This is a very simple trick, nothing much has to be done. It's just that you need to say thank you to that person, tell him why you are thankful, tell him how the work that is done by him has impacted your life, made your life simpler, and if possible say this thanks in front of everyone during the call or any meeting, so that he really feel that someone is appreciating the work that I'm doing. This tip is proven by data science, and if you read about any article on happiness, especially at the workplace, you will find that appreciating others' efforts is the number one trick. So get this implemented right today, see some amazing results, make it as a habit, and appreciate the efforts of everyone in your team. I'll see you soon with more such tips and tricks. Till then, bye bye.